at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor. Ayy, on the road, here we go. Yeah, we winning by a landslide. Never see me coming on my landmine. Yeah, I ain't taking orders in command like. Yeah, you about to see me on demand like. You know on demand. If you ain't know, you about to understand. Yeah, I got the team by my side right.
Hello, everyone, and Happy New Year. Hey, audio works, guys. All right, we're good to go, guys. My name is Steven.
I'm Boyette.
And we wish you guys a Happy New Year, and welcome back to the RevoSpin Wednesday webinar.
It's been a while, guys.
It's been a long time. Hope you guys had a great holiday season. I know myself and Boyette has had a great one as well. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, I posted the schedule in for the month. We are going to be doing this every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This will be available on Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, and also will be recorded as well to view on YouTube after the live is over. So today is going to be a little neat one to start the new year for a lot of our new clients that join over the holiday season. We are going to be doing a training webinar that you guys will be able to reference for all your new clients that just purchased a 360, existing clients that want just a refresher for the year, someone that maybe has done it for a while. So this is going to be focused around the RevoSpin 360 app current status training. Boy, how was your holiday season?
It was great. A lot of events, you know, family time. How was yours?
Mine was good. You know, got to travel around a bit, enjoying my time around. Took a little break for the 360 business a little bit just because I had a pretty good November, so I went ahead and took a little break, explored a little bit, traveled Texas, California, all that type of stuff. But now we're back here in the office and ready to provide you guys content and ready to start the New Year's off right. So yeah, like I said today, don't forget, guys, feel free to ask your questions inside the live chat for Facebook, all that kind of stuff. Let me go ahead and put it up real quick, guys. Don't forget to ask questions in live chats. This is to help you guys, what you guys want to see, so we can go ahead and prep out and give all the information to you while we can. But let's go ahead and start it off. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my second screen over here real quick. Let's go ahead, open it up. Here we go. And then add this to stream. And there we go, guys. Yep. So right here, guys, we went ahead and did a quick video just on the additional settings for the RevoSpin part where I go ahead and go over. So here real quick, once you open up the app and go ahead and hit the gear, you'll be going to the settings page. On here, we have subscriptions, a link to the RevoSpin website, change password, additional settings, which will go more in depth very soon, GoPro setup, and restart uploads. Reminder, if you guys want to get rid of that watermark on your videos, go ahead and upgrade to Pro and Pro Plus. As you can see here, intro, outro videos for videos, branding on your web gallery to get rid of the RevoSpin logos, access to photo booth templates that you can immediately upload to the gallery, and also removes ads and watermarks. And then also don't forget Pro Plus members, data collection, emails, phone numbers saved into your online portal that you can use as leads if they're local, or just shoot out marketing emails for them as well. So these are crucial for corporate, big time names, all that type of stuff. Real quick, when you go ahead and go to additional settings, right here you will see Face ID, which we'll use to protect your settings. If you're like, let's say you're leaving your booth unattended and you just want your phone open that people can spin, you can go ahead and enable Face ID so they can't go into your settings and mess with your phone. Save photos to videos. If you want to have all your videos in your camera roll and not on the on-device and online gallery, turn that on. Make sure your iPhone has plenty of storage, and that's how you will save photos to your camera roll. I always have allow uploads with cellular data and offline mode on screen, or my bad, selected. So make sure to have that as a section as well, just so you make sure your app is always uploading no matter what situation you're in. And Revoshare mode, if you are using the iPad sharing station, make sure to have that turned on and go ahead and connect to your iPad using local connection. So that's just a little quick video right here. Also, delete videos on device was a new setting we added. So if you guys are having issues with storage on the app, what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and click delete all videos on device, and it will pop up this warning message right here, wherever it is. So this will delete all recordings uploaded to the online gallery. Those videos will not be removed. This is only to clear in-app storage, and this will not delete any video. that has been uploaded to the online gallery. So for example, I believe the first time we tested this out, I think I had maybe 20, 30 events saved on the app, and it cleared almost about the entire gallery, and it was back to like, I don't know, 3 megabytes. So make sure to use this as a setting. You do not need to delete and reinstall the app every time. This will do the exact same thing for you. It just takes a little bit longer depending on how many events you have saved in there.
It's been helping a lot of people lately, though. Clear storage. I know a lot of people had that issue of our app taking a lot of storage, but now hit that button and it'll clear a lot, and you guys can just start all over again.
Exactly. So make sure to utilize the setting after you upload all your videos to your events. And then also GoPro setup. If you guys have a GoPro, make sure to connect using the GoPro Quick app. Go ahead and turn it on, and your GoPro should be able to go ahead and link there through. Reminder, you need to link your GoPro with the Quick app before using the RevoSpin software, or else the GoPro will not connect. And we recommend GoPro 9 and 10. 11 is the newest GoPro we have still been waiting to test. But like I said, we have some other projects we're working on that we'll definitely get into later on in the show. So once you go ahead and check out the GoPro settings, you can also do that. And if you hit restart uploads here, your uploads will be restarted. And don't forget, you have the re-upload option as well. When you guys select the button help documentation, it will take you to this link right here, support.revospin.com. This is where we complete all our articles. Myself, Boyette, tech support, whoever wants to make an article in RevoSpin will go here and upload articles that we have support. We tend to we're working on updating all of it right now. So we're gonna have plenty more updates with future updates coming out. So just keep an eye out for the support help page. That will give you the best support for you in event if you're not available to get hold of us. And with that, that is our settings page. So let's go ahead and take a couple minutes, guys. Don't forget, guys, we want you guys to ask questions. We want you guys to be involved. This webinar is for you guys. We want to make sure you guys are being heard, what questions and concerns you may have, which, like I said, we would gladly help you to try to address. If not, we would refer you to the tech support team if that's an answer we can't answer on the live. But yeah, so obviously, you know, the app has been doing pretty well. I think this holiday season, we had almost 400,000 videos just on Christmas and New Year's Eve. Very successful day. As you guys know, the servers are well capable of handling the volume we have right now. As you guys know, we also did a small update that allows foreign languages such as people in Mexico and all that kind of stuff.
Philippines.
Will this video be able to rewatch? I logged in late. Yes, it will. Thank you, Facebook user. This show you're private, so it can't shout you out who you are. Yes, after the live, go ahead and go over to our YouTube page, and the live will be uploaded there shortly to be able to rewatch. So like I said, this video to start off the new year is a reference for anybody that needs a training, anyone that wants to take trainings. As you guys know, as a RevoSpin customer, you do get trainings provided to you that you can schedule online through our support page. But like people like myself who are not really here all the time, I also do schedule trainings in the Facebook group. You guys are more than welcome to check them out on Facebook if you guys want a personal training one-on-one. So definitely be aware of that if you guys are looking for any training. Ronnie, is the monthly subscription based on events or end of the month? So it actually is based off of the entire month. If you subscribe to Pro and Pro Plus, you will have it for the entire month. You guys are able to order that through the app or through your online portal on RevoSpin360.app. So you want to make sure that you guys are looking at that login on there. And like I said, it's not per event, it's for the entire month. So you can do 18 events and you're only paying that one set cost for that entire month. Will the new release software need new training again? No. So the training here is just for general app. For example, the free version, we're going to have, I believe in the next couple of weeks, we will do a Pro and Pro Plus training to explain what is included in those. But this software, this is the default. This is how to make an event. This is how to just use the basic functionality of the app, which is available to anybody that downloads the app. So with the new software, it'll only be new features. If it requires a video, we will definitely target it here in the webinar and also upload it to YouTube as well and to our help desk. But this video is just a reference for anybody that needs to create an event through the app, how to navigate through the app. And like I said, none of this stuff is changing anytime soon, only small updates to help increase the functionality, like for our iOS user and our Android users who have definitely been waiting for an update. We do have one coming soon. The app development team did confirm they are working on a massive update for Android. They've been testing a lot with the S22, S21, Google Pixel 5 and 6, as well as also some Motorola phones as well. So Samsung has been a work in progress, so you guys are hoping to get a new update that hopefully be functional. But just a reminder that Samsung users, I want to forget, the operating system is a little bit older and different compared to iOS, so sometimes processing times are longer. We do make that aware when you download get a Samsung phone. Is there an annual package option for Pro? Soon. There will be an annual option for Pro. We are waiting for the app development team to give us the cost for that, and then that will be able to be purchased through our website. But that is currently not released yet. They're waiting to get the price. They want to know how much they're going to discount it off and that kind of stuff. But there will be an annual package available for Pro and Pro Plus. But right now, it is just monthly until the costs are released online for everybody. So yeah, thank you guys for the questions. You guys know we'll help. We want to answer any questions you can. But yeah, so Boyette, you ready to show them how to make an event?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
So Boyette will be now showing you guys how to create an event, and then we're going to go look at all the key features that he has to offer. All right, after you.
So when you're
Oh, I didn't delete the video. Hold on.
Sorry.
There is the video.
Okay, so basically, of course, when you bring up your app, you can hit the plus sign. Event information. This is what basically fill in the blanks. So we're just going to put in webinar, today's date. Email message. We're going to put SMS message. Usually put a thank you message, of course, like how you usually do.
That can be personalized to your business. This doesn't have a character limit. You can put a website, all that type of stuff in there.
So it's basically, this page right here is basically fill in the blanks. So select video frame. We're going to use portrait with angle turned on, which we recommend. We recommend for full body videos.
Yep. That's so I can pause it real quick for you guys right here.
Portrait with ultra wide angle turned on is what we recommend for full body videos.
Just a reminder, guys, this is on iOS. Android is working on an update right now. So once we get the Android update released to us, we will go ahead and demonstrate for Android users and on exactly the functionality on the app as well for that one as well.
So for video quality, it should always be on high. We recommend record time 3.5 or 4. Count them, we're going to use 3 right now. Camera, if you're using iOS, your iPhone should always be on the back. This will give you the best quality. This backlight should be facing the person on the platform. Audio file, we're going to use one of our audio files from Steven's phone. So as you can see, Steven, explain to them when you turned your ringer off.
Yeah, so as you guys know, my phone's almost going to die, but I had to turn on my ringer. The reason why is because iOS blocks out audio when you have your ringer muted. So with me turning it on, meaning I'm unmuting the ringer, you want to make sure that you can hear your audio when you test it. So that's important when you do this before the documents. We wanted to pause it here to explain to you guys that make sure your ringer is on so you can hear the audio post-test. But let's fast forward since, you know, my files and audio file is uploaded. When you see that there is a play button here, that means the audio file is uploaded.
Next page for overlays, we're going to go ahead and add one from his files.
So, Boyette, there's a lot of options here. Which one do you recommend if I have an overlay from Canva?
The first one where it says overlay.
Okay, and then which setting should I pick to upload my Canva overlay?
Documents.
Yeah, so we do not recommend using take a photo or camera roll because sometimes you lose your transparency, as well as also photo library as well. So we always recommend downloading it to your files, iCloud Drive, Google Drive, whatever it is that you use on the app to get files to your phone. Make sure to always upload it through documents, or if you're creating it online, you can also just get it from there as well. Then let's do a quick fast forward again. There we go. There we go. So overlay is added.
Slow-mo recommended we use 60 FPS frames per second, and boomerang speed we save it at half.
So what happens if I bump this up to 240 like the setting says?
You can try. I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah.
It just slows down the video, honestly, in my opinion. And you can view the video and you'll see how much different it is, but 60 FPS is perfect for your video, especially with a half a boomerang. You'll see how perfect the video is. It'll go halfway around and then it'll come back.
That's right. If you are expanding the FPS and the boomerang speed, you will get close to 30, 40, even over a minute videos. If you want quick processing times, these are the recommended settings. Make sure to reference this video if you want to look at recommended settings.
That's too much time for a video, especially if you have a big event and a lot of people in line.
So, we got some pro subscription options here. What's going on here?
So pro subscriptions, this is not on the free version. Pro subscription, $49.99 a month. If you upgrade this event logo, this is when you get your video, when your clients get their video, RevoSpin will. You can have RevoSpin there, but you can actually add your own logo on your event logo. Instead of RevoSpin being up there, you can put your own logo up there.
That is right. If you guys upgrade to Pro for $49.99 a month, or if you choose Pro Plus for $99.99 a month, you will get the option to remove all the RevoSpin branding from the web gallery, and then you'll have your own logo there, as well as an intro outro video that will add after the video is done.
Also, on the free version, there's a watermark on the, so to the Pro Plus, that RevoSpin watermark will totally disappear, and it'll be your videos.
That is correct. So that's how you guys at the end of creating. So once you create, you can go ahead and start it. And now you're ready to take videos by hitting next, and you'll go ahead and go over to record. And that is, you guys, how to create an event on the RevoSpin app for iOS and Android. But like I said, Android is going through some updates, so we will do a large little webinar for the Android update, so we can talk about all the changes and target those issues people have been having in the group with Android, to make sure we address all the issues that were reported in our Facebook group, as well as to the customer support line.
Yeah, if you check out our schedule, also we'll be going over the Pro and Pro Plus subscription. We'll go more into detail on that if you look on our calendar. So every Wednesday, you'll just tune in, and we'll have something new for you guys.
That's right, guys. Pinned on all the Facebook groups, the 60 Spin Photo Network, the feature is a post by me that has the schedule for the webinar. So make sure not to reach out, or definitely make sure to reach out if you have any questions about it. But yeah, like I said, we are here to help you guys. This is questions for you guys. And like I said, this video will also be recorded and updated to YouTube. The goal with this video as well is to add to our training videos as well. So like I said, if you guys are having issues, like if you want to see a reference video for training, you're more than welcome to reference this live. We'll give you the exact start time when we start talking about the app and all that kind of stuff. All right, so yeah, so what we're gonna go ahead and do now is we're gonna open the floor to any questions. Paulo, Xiaomi Pro Max 10. So yeah, so we are doing a massive update on Android. We currently right now recommend Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel 5 and 6, and those are like the main phones we recommend right now. I have not heard of that phone personally myself, but like I said, Android's getting a massive update that should hopefully allow some accessibility for some other phones, just because Android has a lot of glitches, and like I said, the app team have been working on some other projects. So like I said, we are going to have an update for Android, so just be aware of that. Definitely text it out. But like I said, our recommended phones, if you head on over to support.revospin.com, go ahead and go under 360 app and go ahead and look at our recommended devices, and definitely see if you're able to access one of those. So I hope that answers your question. But yeah, Boyette, obviously, we have the schedule set. We're ready to go for this month. As you guys know, we're very excited to announce a new software coming out next week. I don't want to give up too many details. Most people have already heard about it. But next week,
tune in.
We will definitely be demonstrating the release of our new software. No release date confirmed yet. The build is waiting to be submitted by Apple. But we are going to be introducing an iPad photo booth app. Photos, videos, Boomerang, even prints, compatible with prints, all with the print server on a modem. So we will be doing a full demonstration. Myself, Boyette, and I have been trying to finish all the support video articles, so you guys have a bunch of support for when this app is released. This new iPad photo booth app will be free to use, obviously with a watermark, but you're more than welcome to demo it out, test it out, and then you can upgrade us as you please. So the new iPad photo booth software, which I will not say the name yet until next week, will be hopefully released within the next week or at the end of this week. And like I said, you guys will do a full demonstration here. If it's not released by next Wednesday, we will let you know, and then we'll just be doing a demo for it. But we are excited to bring that to you. You definitely don't want to go next week. For all my Nimbus, Beauty Pad, Sharing Station, anyone that has an iPad photo booth, you're going to want to turn in for next week and see if you like the software. Gosh, how long have we been working on this software for?
It's been a while trying to perfect it, but I'm excited. I'm excited for everyone.
I think the first time we used it was in March.
Yes.
Wow. March, and it's, hey, new year, new me, am I right? Definitely stay tuned for next week, guys. We'll leave the floor for any more questions for you guys. But like I said, next week is going to be big. We're going to have our new iPad photo booth software released to you guys for the first time, first ever demo and trial available online. Is the iPad thingy for the Revoshare. So Revoshare is a separate application. Revoshare is sharing station for the 360.
Yes.
This right here will allow you to turn your iPad, your normal iPad, your normal sharing station into a photo booth. This is an iPad demonstrating next Wednesday. So definitely stay tuned to come in. This is going to be for our people that use their iPad as a photo booth, those all-day rentals, those 2-hour gigs, those, you know, click, take a photo, print it out, all that kind of stuff. So definitely stay tuned next, like I believe is Let's see, turn in next week and you'll definitely be able to see and how it works, because we're going to do a full demonstration. We're going to have our DMP RX1. We're going to have our modem here as well to demonstrate the print server, our iPad photo booth that will take pictures from us of the side. We'll also share the link for you guys as well to see how they came out, and you can see the templates and all that kind of stuff as well. How does Revoshare work? So real quick, Revoshare, you have your RevoSpin 360 app. Go ahead and get your iPad, log into the same account. Then what you will do is link it to the iPad. So every time you take a video on the iPhone, it will link to the iPad, and you can actually walk them over to the iPad and they can enter in their phone number, email, all that stuff from Revoshare instead of doing it on the phone.
Make sure on your settings on the 360 app on your device, make sure Revoshare is turned on also, so it links to the iPad.
That's right. Once you guys see this recording, if you guys were late, you guys will be able to see that Revoshare mode is a setting that you can turn on. And then, like I said, it will allow you to connect your iPad based off local connection. But that you can also reference our YouTube channel. There is a Revoshare demonstration video there as well. So you can definitely see how Revoshare works as well. But like I said, that's our sharing station app for 360 videos. So instead of having them, you know, go up to your iPhone, enter the number, you can guide them over to your sharing station and they can enter all from the iPad and view the video as well. So yes, that is available for the free version. Their Revoshare, I believe, is $9.99 a month.
$9.99 a month.
Yeah. So
I believe your first 2 events are free, and then after that, it'll be $9.99 a month.
That's right. So it is available for free. You get 2 events to use. And then once you have used your 2 events, it will ask you to subscribe for $9.99 a month. And that gives you unlimited events to share station. Meaning if you have 3 different booths at one Saturday party, you got one at a wedding, you got one at the pool, you got one at your house because you're throwing a, you know, little New Year's Eve party, you can definitely do all of that with the $9.99 a month. But yes, there is available for free version. Daryl, if you're asking about the free version, Revoshare, RevoSpin, and the new software will all have a free version available to use before subscribing. RevoSpin 360 and the new app will have a watermark. So like I said, you'll be able to use it for free. Yeah, so like I said, you definitely want, usually, let's see, to answer your question, I just read it off. So she was saying how she has an issue for it to download. That is true. So RevoSpin 360 app does need internet connection to download videos and to upload them to the online gallery. So if it's struggling to upload from your device to the online gallery, that means it will take even longer for it to get the Revoshare, because you sometimes might have to back out of the end and open it up to refresh all the videos, since sometimes the auto refresh, depending on your Wi-Fi, doesn't really work too well. So they'll definitely be aware Wi-Fi is the main priority for both these apps, actually all of the apps, when you're looking to download, upload, do all that kind of stuff. So if that helps your question, but like I said, you can definitely reference YouTube, our YouTube, and check out the Revoshare video as well. And then like I said, tech support is also available 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. That can also help log into your account and see if there's anything going on with your account and all that kind of stuff. So definitely use our resources, guys. We're here to help Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You can go ahead and call us on RevoSpin.com. But yeah, wow. Thanks, you guys. Question: does Revoshare work with another phone? So Revoshare is an iPad app, so it is not available on phones. So
and make sure it's the newer iPads, because I believe the older one, there's a kind of a glitch. So
it's the operating system on the older iPads. So so what does it say? So does the Revoshare work with another phone? So it doesn't work with phones. It works with iPads and Android tablets.
Downloadable only on iPads.
That's right. It does not work on phones because we didn't make it for the phone because the phones are too small. So that's why it's available on tablets and iPads. So that is available for both Android and iOS. Anthony Smith, yeah, unfortunately, our Wi-Fi has some issues today, so we might go in and out sometimes. But like I said, we'll definitely have this recorded so everyone can review and watch it. So we do apologize. We did have some Wi-Fi maintenance earlier today. So like I said, we just had to get it fixed up since we were gone for the New Year's for the holidays. But yeah, obviously, you know, this is a lot of live for you guys. We're glad to be back. We're going to be here constantly.
Every Wednesday.
Every 30 minutes. Daryl, it is a separate app. So RevoSpin 360 is the app that you use on your 360. Revoshare is a separate app available on your iPad.
It's our sharing station app.
Sharing station app. That is correct. So you want to find that in your iPad store or your Android tablet store, which I believe is Google Play as well. So let's see, we are working on a Trackstar mode that's looking to be in a future update as well, where it will be a preset time for how long you take the Trackstar video. I believe it's going to be anywhere between 8 to 12 seconds it's set. We're just doing some server testing with it now to see how it can handle a long video with 60 FPS, have booming swing, and testing all that other stuff. So that is a future update that is looking to come. And that's, like I said, we're making sure it works for Android too, because Android right now already has a 1:30 to 2-minute processing time. So we don't want to completely limit it to a client. If they're using Android compared to iOS, it's like, hey, why does that Trackstar video take 30 seconds when my Trackstar video takes 3 minutes? And once again, it's because Android is different from iOS. They have a different processing system, so that is coming soon. Just like I said, we want to make sure we're fair to all our clients, which, like I said, we always recommend iOS, but like I said, we are the first software to really push Android. And like I said, we're trying to keep it steady and stuff like that. But like I said, just be aware that we always recommend iOS just because their processing system is very friendly compared to Android.
Team iPhone.
Team iPhone. Yeah, I guess that's a good way to put it. Do you turn Revoshare on both the iPhone and iPad in order for Revoshare to work? Yes. So like I said, I'll put it up on, we got them. So right here, in the additional settings, in a second, let me pull it up for you quick. Let's go to the settings. So what I'm showing you right now is inside the RevoSpin 360, and then you also want to put this up on. Sorry, we just had a quick lag out because the Wi-Fi is not good today. We apologize, guys, but give me a quick get to the. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this up on my screen right here real quick. So as you guys can see right here, Revoshare mode is an option right down here. Once you turn Revoshare mode on, you'll get like a little pop-up that says, hey, this is Revoshare it on iPad. Then it connects to it locally, and then now you're able to what should I say?
Sync it.
You're able to sync it together. So as long as you have good Wi-Fi on both of those devices, it should be simultaneously. Video uploads from the phone, gets sent over to the iPad. They can email, text it themselves.
Yeah,
so
they can view it.
That is on iPhone and iPad. So you definitely want to check out both. And like I said, we can also help you in-house 9 to 5, Monday through Friday if you have any questions. All right, let's see what we got here. My last event, I didn't trim the song, but it still worked, but it took forever to download. Okay, yes. So just to let you know, when I hope I pronounced it out, let's see. Just to let you know, so what happens there is we always recommend audio trimming because, for example, let's say you have an 18-second video with a 3-minute song. It takes that 3 minutes, it takes that first 18 seconds, and you have all this left over. If you trim it correctly, it stops the uploading for video and it just puts it into the video. So for me, I believe my videos are around 16 to like 19 seconds. I make it for about 20, 21 seconds just so I have a little bit of cushion, and usually it uploads quick. It also depends on your device and Wi-Fi as well. So make sure you have updated your iOS, updated your RevoSpin 360 app, and make sure your Wi-Fi or LTE data is good. But yes, I do see where some events actually fail because they don't trim their audio. So that's why we always recommend just a general audio trimmer. All right, so yeah, so looks like we got some Trackstar folks in there. Don't forget, you can also reference our old Trackstar video in there as well, where we demonstrated is right. I mean, don't get me wrong, 6 seconds is great for the 360, but like I said, we're definitely looking to get that Trackstar mode out. Will the email and SMS messages you add on the app show in the Share app when they text or email it? So if you are a Pro Plus user, all the texts, all the emails go online to events.revospin.com. When you log into here, you'll be able to see your data collection, and it shows all phone numbers and emails sent from Revoshare and RevoSpin. So like I said, you'll still see like the whole, like, the little drop down bar where it says like enter your phone, enter it, then it will extend through. So it does do that for both. But like I said, all data collection is saved for Pro Plus members inside your online portal on events.revospin.com. That is definitely scheduled. We are actually going to do an online walkthrough where I actually will put my RevoSpin account up on here and show you guys how to work the online portal in case you don't like using the phone. I know sometimes, people are like, oh, I don't want to create the event on my phone. I like doing a laptop. That will definitely be a demonstration. We're probably going to do that during the Pro and Pro Plus in the next couple of weeks. So we'll definitely show you guys how to work the online portal, throw all the links, all that kind of stuff. But wow, hey, look at that. We got through 30 minutes, guys. This is great. Hey. This is what we want to. So, hey, thank you guys for our time. We don't want to throw too much information on here because obviously we want to space it out because, I don't know, what if February comes around and we run out of content? Yeah. Next thing you know, I'm going to be like, hey, guys, I'm taking you guys to an event. Let's go.
Tune in next Wednesday, same time, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll be here, answer all your questions, and we have more for the new booth that's coming out.
That's right. It's not a new booth, but it's a new app. A new app, guys. We're excited to show you guys. Tell all your friends that have Nimbuses, Beauty Pads, any iPad booth. Definitely want to turn in to check out the iPad software. Actually, one last question. I got you, Daryl. So it's with your event. So yes, my bad. I understand your question now, Daryl. So when you are logged into the RevoSpin app and you're creating your event and you have the SMS message and the email message, that same message will carry over in Revoshare as well. So yes, it does allow you to do the same message as well. Since you did ask that, I'll go ahead and check it myself to see if there's anything wrong with that. So I'll go ahead and double check that. And like I said, I'll make sure if there's an updated need for Revoshare, let the app development team know that we found this. So I'll definitely check that out just to make sure. But I remember last time I used it, I believe it did. But like I said, I'm not sure now. So I'll check that for you, Dale. No problem.
Any more questions? Just shoot us an email, techsupport@revospin.com. We'll be more than happy to answer.
That's right, guys. Tech support is available 9 to 5, Monday through Fridays. Don't forget, if you have any questions in the group, make sure to shout out any of the admins that help you with your questions. And also, we do have some knowledgeable 360 guys in there that I know that have been there for almost a whole year. And new guys that are coming in there, picking it up, and like you say, like, hey, I got my 360 business now. I know what I'm doing. So we thank you guys for coming in. Happy New Year to everybody. And we're excited to take you guys back on these webinars. Like I said, my name is Steven.
My name is Boyette.
And we will see you next day. Tune in.
All right.